We set a record yesterday, 86 hundredths of an inch of rain coming down at the Pittsburgh airport yesterday. That was a record that was 121 years old. The old record set in 1898, 68 inches or 68 hundredths of an inch of rain coming in at that point. If you're wondering where we are overall, we're basically 2.5 inches ahead of the normal pace that we would normally see when it comes to rainfall already this year. And if you're wondering about last year, we're already a couple of inches behind where we were last year on that record-setting pace that we saw. Do have some good news for you. I was just checking the Mon Wharf, or should say the Ohio River at the point. If you are one of those that parks at the Mon Wharf, the good news for you is that we are now expecting the Mon Wharf, or at least the river levels, to stay in an area that will not flood. That 18-foot level, the Mon Wharf, doesn't mean that they're going to open it up necessarily tomorrow, so you'll have to stay tuned for that. But at least at this point, the official river forecast keeping the Ohio River below levels where you would see flooding going on at the Mon Wharf. So it could potentially be open tomorrow if there is no flooding that went on there. This is what it looks like outside. You can see the shadows. That means the sun is out, something we haven't seen in quite some time. 41 your temperature this hour. Winds out of the southwest at 12 miles an hour. They are gusting past 20. So some wind gusts are out there. The barometer 30, 18 hundredths of an inch, and the dew point coming in at 27 degrees. There's a look at those current temperatures for you, including 41 in Pittsburgh, Butler 41, and Denora coming in 45 degrees. It is 43 in Latrobe at this time, 43 in Washington, and 45 in Waynesburg. I think we hit about 47 for a high today. Dry, the afternoon sunshine, yeah, it'll be around. Winds out of the west once again, 7 to 12, and that's about where we are right now for those winds. Here's how I think the rest of the day is going to break down. We'll put the high right around 4 o'clock, 3 or 4 o'clock, somewhere in there. Temperature at 6 o'clock down to 43, and we continue to see those temperatures diving right at 30 degrees at 4 o'clock in the morning. So temperatures just below the freezing mark. That'll slow down, kind of stall any snow that's still around from melting just the last little bit. But then we'll warm back up into the 40s tomorrow. Most of the snow should be gone by then. Radar's dry at this point. We want to zoom out. Showed you this at the top of the show, just kind of how our setup is. It's interesting for us because we'll continue to see that warm air sliding in and being pushed up by a ridge of high pressure. So it moves over the ridge of high pressure right towards Pennsylvania, and that keeps us nice and warm over the next couple of days. It also is a recipe for some big rain chances, and we'll have some rain chances, even a thunderstorm chance as we're heading into the weekend. Spotty rain showers Saturday, and then on Sunday, a couple of thunderstorms will be possible. Cold front comes in at 6 o'clock in the morning. Temperatures will be close to 60 degrees at this point. Windy behind that and very cold, or turning at least cold after that as well. Rain chances Saturday, Sunday, another chance for some rain on Wednesday is what it looks like right now. And there's your 7-day outlook, including the warm-up and cooler weather, at least more seasonal as we're heading into next work week.
Seasonal?
Yeah.
I'll take unseasonal like we have right now.
I think a lot of folks are going to enjoy this couple of days. But next week, there is a chance that we could see, you see those temperatures there, that we could see. There's some data showing even colder than that. We're going to hold off on that for now.
Okay, let's hold off.
Yeah.
All right, Ron, thanks.